I am Guangzhou Huaisheng Packaging Inc. Limited. Marketing Director Angela. I have been in our Huaisheng family since 2016. In the past 10 years, I have contacted various customers. It has also served one of hundreds of companies, big brand customers. Then, as the experience increases, and understanding the market, and understanding of customer pain points, we will become more and more professional. We can provide customers with packaging solutions. This is what we are best at. And for some popular products in the market, we have also done some research. The most popular product on the market, that is our main product of Guangzhou Huaisheng Packaging Inc. Limited, which is our folding box. Today, I mainly want to introduce folding box, some common box types, and its craftsmanship, its material selection, and some points that customers are concerned about. How we help customers solve problems. This box is a regular one, which is the most common one on the market, a common folding box. The box is composed of a leather shell and side panels. It's commonly called a 5-piece folding box. Because its leather shell is composed of 5 boards, it will be equipped with magnetic snaps and strong double-sided tape. It can be folded back like this. If the box can't be folded, it will be shipped like this. It takes up a lot of space. Then one cabinet may only be enough for 8,000 to 10,000 if it is made into this kind of foldable structure. We can pack 20 to 30,000 units. It can help customers save on transportation costs, at least 2/3 of the cost, like this one. The difference is that the double-sided tape on the 4 corners is removed, because some customers think that it's time-consuming for workers to tear off the double-sided tape, and the cost abroad is relatively high, so they would rather add a little to the box cost and save the labor costs. It is more cost-effective. So we add a piece here separately when the customer receives the box and buckle it in, and it can be formed